हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए यूपी सीट या यूपीटीयू के द्वारा बी फार्मा में होने वाला जो पेपर था 20 सितंबर को, उसमें का बायोलॉजी सेक्शन लेके आया हूँ। उसमें देखते हैं हम लोग जो है, पहला क्वेश्चन है 101। Which of the following enzyme open up the DNA replication fork? DNA replication fork को खोलता कौन है? तो उसको खोलने का काम करता है DNA हेलिकेज। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड है, in an ecosystem the rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis is termed as gross primary productivity. 103. Which of the following pair of gases is the major cause of greenhouse effect? तो 103 का होगा ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट, CO2 एंड N2O. Mutation can be induced with the gamma radiation. According to Oswald-Tipo classification of angiosperm placed under Tracheophyta. 106. What would be number of chromosome of Eluran cell of plant with chromosome 42 chromosome in its root tip cell? तो देखिए यहाँ पर क्या है, जो एलुरान लेयर होता है वो एंडोस्पर्म का पार्ट होता है, और यहाँ कह रहा है कि रूट टिप सेल में 42 क्रोमोसोम, यानी 2n इक्वल टू 43, सॉरी 2n इक्वल टू 42, n इक्वल टू जो है 21, और वहाँ पर जो एलुरान है वो 3n है, तो 3n होगा, यानी n 21 है तो 3n कितना जाएगा 63। तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी। 107. A fruit developed from Hypanthodium inflorescens is called Syconus. Cork shell the waxy समझाता, that is सुबेरीन। क्या होगा सुबेरीन, ऑप्शन नंबर डी, 108 का डी। 109. Which of the following show water containing cavity in vascular bundle? Monocot, maize plant. Classification of xerophyte, classification hydrophyte, mesophyte, xerophyte suggested by Warming. Which of the following is show isogamy with non-flagellated gamete, that is Spirogyra. Which of the following BT crop being grown by farmer in India? BT cotton. 130. The hyphae of Rhizopus aseptate cynocytic, option number C. In which of the following process CO2 is not released lactate fermentation? Option number B. 115. Protonoma of Funaria is filamentous. Drypteris, the sori are born abaxially. In gymnosperm, nucellus is produced protected by envelope and composite structure is called ovule. 118. In Malvaceae, flowers are generally actinomorphic, bisexual, hypogynous and pentamerous. Option number C. 119. Which of the following example of imbibition? Swelling of seed when put in soil. How many molecules of ATP required to fix one molecule of nitrogen? That is 16. Option number D. 121. The enzyme that not found in C3 plant, that is पेप कार्बोक्सिलेज, ये C4 प्लांट में पाया जाता है. Photophosphorylation of glucose during glycolysis catalyzed by hexokinase. The photoperiod in plant is preceded by leaves. Which of the following is a diagnostic feature of class Demospongia phylum Porifera? Spongin fibers. 125. Which of the following statement is correct? Infested, that is exflagellation and plasmodium occur in microflagellates. 126. Which of the following correctly matched metagenesis in Ovelia? 127. Aphids of Ascaris are chemoreceptor. 128. Which of the following is correct? Tinea respire anaerobically. 129. Identify the correct match from the following. Scorpio-coaxial glands. 130. Rabbit's brunal gland present in the wall of duodenum. 131. Tympanic cavity. The digestion of cellulose. The digestion of cellulose in cecum in the presence of bacteria. Which of the following veins collected blood from diaphragm? Phrenic. In which of the following animal neoteny is observed during the life history of salamander? 135. The theory of origin of life initiated by Popperine. In evolution, the role of isolation is evolutionary divergence. 137. Which of the following structure present in the ovary rabbit absent in the ovary of corpus luteum? 138. The contractile vacuole of amoeba proteus will disappear while other functions will go on if sea water is added in the medium. 139. The individual best adapted generally produce the highest number of offspring. 140. Which of the following group of animal example of same class? Lumbricus, Hirudopertima. Mouth part of cockroach, cutting and shaving. Atavism, a last organ in a species suddenly reappear in an individual. 143. tapeworm has no digestion system because it absorbs pre-digested food. 144. In 7, 9, 12, 13 segment of Phaeodema are found lateral heart. 145. The plant on which Hugo de Vries experimented to propound his mutation theory, evening primrose. Receptors which are sensitive to pain are known as Algici receptor. 147. Down syndrome, trisomy of 21st chromosome. Abroma technology, production of monoclonal antibodies. 149. Gene which confers antibiotic resistance to bacteria are located on plasmid. 150. DNA it is not phase of synthesis of macromolecule. Which of the following is correct about G1? Cell metabolically inactive. DNA in the does not replicate. DNA in the cell does not replicate. तो ये हो गया जो है कि 150 का ऑप्शन नंबर बी। ये हो गए 150 1 to 150 क्वेश्चन। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल।